Sir, we have received some complaint regarding that personal numbers are being used as rent a bike. What traffic police is going to do and what initiative is going to be taken?
So we have also been getting certain complaints that certain private persons are giving their private vehicles for renting purposes, which is a clear violation of the laid down guidelines and laws under the MV Act and other provisions of the Transport Department. Now we have directed all our traffic cells that they should carry out an intensive drive to ensure that no such private vehicles are given out for renting purposes. And through your medium, I would also like to request to the tourists who are coming to Goa that whenever they take a bike on rent, they should verify whether that bike or car is authorized to be taken for rent. And if it is not, then they should refuse to take such bikes, and they should also inform the local police station regarding such violations.
Sir, it is a bit difficult to differentiate that who is the personal owner and who is the tourist, how this drive will work.
So if you look closely, it can be easily distinguished. The vehicles which can be given for renting purposes have a unique number plate, and the uniqueness of the number plate is that it is on a black background, and the numericals or the alphanumerical digits are written in a yellow font. So you can make out from a distance also whether this bike is a rent-a-bike or a rent-a-vehicle, or it's a normal vehicle. So if you are taking a vehicle on rent, then make sure that you check the RC, the registration certificate, and also check the number plate, and then only take the bike for rent.
And how would you differentiate between a Goan riding personal bike and a tourist riding that white plate one?
Well, that we can easily distinguish by random checkings and asking the person to just show his driving license. And if he doesn't have a reason to explain his presence in Goa other than as tourist purposes, then it's a very simple mechanism of making out on who that is. But these are very random things which we do. Random in the sense we do it randomly because repeatedly it is our endeavor that Goa is a tourism hub, not only in India but internationally also. And we have repeatedly tried to ensure that Goan roads are kept safe without causing any major inconvenience to any tourists who are visiting Goa and wanting to have a good holiday.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.